Hi guys, welcome to my channel Makeup Hacks. So if you like my videos, please do subscribe to my channel and share with your friends. So today we will be talking about a skin facial or a face pack which can be used weekly, and it is suitable for all skin types, and it is also at a very affordable price. You don't have to buy any new products for this. With the simple products that are available in the kitchen, you can get this facial done to get a glowing skin. So let's get started with this. So these are the products that I'll be using for this face pack. First one is some milk. As you all know, milk can be used as a cleanser, and it drives out all the dirt and the dead skin cells from the clogged pores, preventing further blackheads and acne. So if you have any such problems, replace your cleansers with the milk, because it has got very good properties and it will remove all the blackheads and the acne, and it also removes the fat that are from the oily areas and moisturizes the dry skin areas. So if you get it for which are easily available, I really ask you to replace your cleansers with the milk, because this is very good properties, and you'll actually feel the difference. Take a cotton ball and you can see the difference, right? So the next product is egg white. As you all know, egg is rich of proteins, and if you are having large pores on your nose or on your cheeks, it will be useful for that. And the third product is honey, and honey is a very good product for moisturizing your skin, and it also has a natural antioxidants and antimicrobial properties, which helps to protect, repair and prevent the skin damage, and also it calms the skin, right? And the fourth product will be the basin. So here we will be using basin as to get the face pack consistency, and it can be used daily actually for depending upon the skin types. Basin also works better on the oily skin, and it also has a cleansing effect and helps removing tan. If you have normal to oily skin, then you can use this every day actually. So I have took a basin of 2 to 3 spoons, and I've added 2 or 1.5 spoon of honey to it, and then let's add egg white to this. So I have added the egg white here, and then let's mix this into a fine paste, and you can use this weekly once to get a really soft and shiny skin, and you'll actually feel the difference right after the first usage. But I recommend you to use at least 4 times in a month, so to get a soft, supple, and that you don't need to use the shimmers or the shiners anymore, right? So the fifth product which I'll be using is the sandalwood face pack, and so this is including of turmeric. So and this is a red sandal powder, and it also has got excellent anti-tan agent, and which you'll not have the wrinkles effect, right? So this will be useful for that. So here I have cleansed my face with milk, taking a cotton bowl, wiping it all over my face, and so I just washed my face, and this is how it looks right after the very clean face. So now I have applied the pack on it, and I'll be leaving this for 10 to 15 minutes, or even more if it is required. Maybe maximum of 30 minutes, but not more than that, because the egg white which you have used will be, you feel the tighten, which is not actually good for skin. So I prefer not to use this more than 30 minutes for any skin type. So this is the result which we will get, right? See, if you see, I have got that shining effect, and I have not applied anything else on my face. You are seeing the bare face right after washing my face, after using this pack. So to get the benefits of all these products which I have mentioned, so please start using this facial at least 4 times a month to get a better results. So I have started to get my skin corrected. I have some uneven skin tones and all, so I'll be using most of this my skin routines, and I'll be sharing it with you. If you like, please share it with your friends also, and please get transformed along with me, right? So that's it about today's video. So I'll be coming up with more interesting content regarding the styles, hair care and skincare. If you like my channel, please do subscribe to my channel and share it with your friends. Thank you. Bye bye. And if you before that, if you have any videos which you expect me to do, please comment it in the below section, so I'll be taking up those requests and I'll be doing videos on that. And bye bye, take care.